What's up, friends, and welcome back to another video! If you're new to my channel, my name is Ise. I'm a Filipina based here in the UAE, and for today's video, we are going to unbox this Shark Flex style. I got this yesterday from Dubai Hills Mall, Giant Supermarket, because sobrang ganda ng deal sa supermarket na yun. And we got this for a very good price. Let's do a quick unboxing para magamit ko na siya finally. Okay? Hello. And bakit ba ako bumili nito? It's because I have a very wavy hair. Tinanong ko si ChatGPT and I showed a picture of my hair. It says type A wavy hair. And I used to iron my hair almost every day. Ngayon, since last year, I stopped ironing my hair every day. But sometimes, kapag may mga lakad and may shoot and kailangan ko mag-film ng videos, I would still iron my hair just because it's really hard to style it. That's why. I really wanted Dyson. Syempre, sino ba namang ayaw ng Dyson, di ba? But in reality, this is, for now, the brand that I can afford. And it's good. I've watched, before I buy something, I would watch reviews about, especially kapag mga ganitong gadgets or appliance, I would really watch thousands of videos before I buy. And this really has very good reviews. And look, I also got it at a very good price. So, such a steal. Do it. Let's open it. So, ito yung mga attachments. And then, ito yung mismong flex style. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. So, this is for today's video, I'm just gonna do an unboxing and then I'll just make a separate video of me using it. So, yan. Hala, oh my God. Tinuro to sa akin ni Kuya kahapon. Kung paano siya, masisira ko pa yata, char. Look. Yon. So, diba? So, parang blow dry. Ito yung blow dry, ganyan. Tapos, super compact siya, diba? Ganda niya. And then, here, yan. So, this is like the curler, o diba? Pack. Ganun. Okay. So, yung isa for the left, yung isa for the right. Ganun pala yun. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hold this. Ayun. Kailangan mo palang pindutin to para matanggal siya. And then, we have in here what is this? The oval brush. Ang laki, guys. Oh my God. Tama ba? I like this. Yan, oval brush. Parang sakit niya. Oh my God. Oval brush, pang Brazilian blowout. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use it na, guys. But like this. Hello, guys. Di siya naka-attach ng maayos. So, i-lock natin, sorry. Ayun, nakalock na siya. So, ganito siya, ganyan. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Hindi lang halata because I'm so, tired. But, wala pa siyang hindi pa siya nakasaksak, pero parang, ang satisfying na niya. Oh my God, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, because hindi na madadamage ng todo ang hair ko. Kasi yun talagang normal na plancha sa hair. Siyempre, nakaka-damage talaga siya. But this one, they say, it's heatless. So, hopefully, the damage is lesser. Ayan. Ay, may nasasama siyang hair. Ayun. Ang daming attachment, guys. Sulit na sulit. Grabe. Hindi ako mahilig mag-shopping. But when I buy things, I make sure that these are things that I actually use and things that ma-ROI ko. So, ROI natin to, and I manifest more paid brand deals this 2026 para ma-ROI natin to. So, ayun. Currently, this Shark Flex style has a diffuser. So, 'di ba? This one is the styling concentrator. So, it's style and dry at the same time. Rotate for easy styling. So, you have to rotate it. Wait, rotate natin. Yan. For easy styling. So, para siyang blow dry. Ganon. Yung sa ano ng blow dry, di ba? Ganon. Ang cute niya kasi. Ang cute nung flex style. Ang alam ko, meron pa, ang Shark, meron pa sila iba-ibang mga, like, model ba yun? Or units, whatever. Pero, I like this flex style in particular because ito yung nakasale as a, frugal girl. And ito yung nakasale and ito yung mas maraming attachments. And syempre, ito yung may, may case. Yung iba kasi, parang bag lang. But this one, it has the storage case. So, it's nice. 'Di ba? As I was saying, I wanted to try the curly girl method, but apparently, for you to do that, you need a diffuser. And, 'di ba? So, if ever I really want to be serious with the curly girl method, because I'm a wavy girl, I can do the diffusing. Ganito lang yung diffusing, ganyan. Ganyan. Di-diffuse mo yung hair. 'Di ba? So, anyway, guys, I'm so excited to use my new Shark Flex style, and it's just a quick unboxing of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are someone who's been using your Shark Flex style, let me know in the comments because wala lang, I'd like to know. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!